Hey guys, it's Adrian from RideEasy, helping you guys ride longer and harder on the mountain. Today, I want to show you how to install your RideEasy Line onto your binding. First, let me show you what you get in the box. Of course, you get the RideEasy Line itself. Then, you get a strap adapter, which comes in 2 pieces. Then, you're going to see 3 screws that come in the box. The big one is your attachment screw that's going to attach a strap adapter to your RideEasy Line. The 2 smaller screws goes on the 2 sides of the strap adapter to hold it together. In addition to this, you also need 1 Phillips head screwdriver. The first thing you want to do is determine where the RideEasy Line goes. You want it to go on the inside of your front foot binding. For example, I'm a goofy rider. That means that my right foot goes in front and is permanently attached to my board. So that means that the RideEasy Line will go on the inside of my right foot binding on the ankle strap. After you figured out where the RideEasy Line goes, you want to test fit everything before you put the screws in. So take your strap adapter, separate the 2 pieces, and take the smooth side. The smooth side faces towards your boot. You'll see the other side has fins. Those fins is what secures the RideEasy Line and keeps it from moving. So you want to put it on the ankle strap of your front binding. Then you want to take the RideEasy Line and put it on and test fit it. Now, what you're looking for here is that the RideEasy Line is vertical after you've installed it. An example of a wrongly installed RideEasy Line is if the RideEasy Line faces sideways like this or even faces down. That's not the right way. So you want to make sure that it's vertical after you install it. Then you want to hold the strap adapter onto the RideEasy Line, take the backing off, and take your big attachment screw and attach a strap adapter onto the RideEasy Line. Make sure this is screwed on hard. Put this part and the back of the strap adapter back onto the ankle strap. Use the strap adapter screws, the 2 small ones that are identical, to screw it on. Now that's it. You're pretty much done with the installation. At this point, double check that the RideEasy Line is on your front foot, okay, the inside ankle of your front foot. And the final tip is that let the screw glue, the red dried glue, on the screw. Let it cure for 24 hours before you ride with it. That will allow the glue to bite into the screws and to bite into the RideEasy Line to make sure that nothing falls off when you're riding, and you'll have fun on the mountain. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the slopes.